How do I count words in a video? You can find videos on YouTube, or you can even upload a video to YouTube to get the transcription. Now, if you don't manually add the transcription yourself, YouTube will automatically generate a transcription, but it's not going to be exact. For instance, if I click CC, you can see English auto-generated, and then you can see the words here on the screen. But you can also get text of the transcription. At the bottom of the video, click the ellipses, click Open Transcript, and here you can see the transcript playing as the video plays. Now you can copy all of this. Go to left click and drag to copy everything. Right click, copy. Now I'm going to wordclouds.com, wordclouds.com. Let's try the wizard. I'm going to paste text, right click, paste, and there's all my information from YouTube. I'll tap apply, and note that it generated a word cloud for me. And you can see which words were used the most because they're bigger. And I can change the shape. I can change the theme. And there's all sorts of options. Also, I can go to word list. And notice how it lists all the words and it counts the occurrences for me. Puts the highest occurrences on top and the lowest on the bottom. What if you wanted to start tracking the counts of several videos? I'm going to copy this information. I left click drag, right click copy. I'm going to open Excel. Start at cell A1, right click and paste. And note that I have the number in the A column and the word in B column. And let's say that I looked at another video and I got the word count from that video as well. I'm just going to paste again. We'll pretend it's a different video, but we'll just paste the same information. So now, instead of manually counting all of this, I could use a pivot table to put all this together. Let's go to Insert, Pivot Table. And the pivot table automatically understood I wanted everything that's on this sheet. And it's going to go to a new worksheet. I'll click OK. And I forgot to give my sheet a header row. So I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to go back. Left click on the one row, right click, hit insert, and let's call this column count and this column word. And then let's try a pivot table again. This time I'm going to select the whole thing, insert, pivot table. Okay. We'll bring the word here to the rows and notice how it lists all the words. And I want a count of the words. So I'm going to bring count down here under values. And automatically understood I wanted it to count, but I actually wanted to sum the values. Let's see if we can get it to do that. Value field settings, sum instead of count. And remember that the word, let's see what we had here. Here's the word Microsoft. We see it 10 times here and then 10 times again at the bottom. So if we check our pivot table, we'll see if it worked correctly. Let's go down here and find Microsoft. It should show up 20 times. And notice that's what it did. It put Microsoft together in one place. And it summed up all the information. It shows that we had 20 instances of Microsoft in 2 videos. And you can keep adding videos and still use pivot table to count your data. That's just one of your options.